Stock number 2228, a 2019 Toyota Highlander SE front end assembly. Here we go. We got to cut through the windshield posts through the floor. Here, driver's side fender. Looks like the wheel lip molding needs to just be clipped back in. With your fog lights. Little scratch in the paint of the bumper cover, but bumper cover looks good. Driver's side headlight. Check the mount tabs. Good to go there. Good to go there. Alright, take a look here at the grill mount tabs. Everything is good. Got the black grill. There's the radar there behind it. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. Kind of hard to see, but it's there. Take a look at the passenger side. Got your fog light. Bumper cover itself is good. The light is nice and complete. Good tab. Good tab. Passenger side fender. That is good to go. Take a look here at the hood. Hood is damage free. This is a nice clean clip. Get your cooling, your fan assembly, radiator condenser, all your under the hood, or underbelly plastics, cooling cover plastic. Got your washer bottle, your coolant bottle, and your under the hood fuse box. All right, stock number 2228, 2019 Highlander front end assembly in stock now.